Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
Chavan.
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. All have not yet joined. Okay,
Good
those who
afternoon.
come late, we will take care of them afterwards. Let me start. "56 only joined so far now. Whenever I'll call your names, on your video, give your attendance, then mute it. Unmute, on your video, give me your attendance and then mute it. Okay? Anna Malti,
Present, ma'am.
on your video, let me see. Okay. Aditi Nayak, Aditi, Adesha Malti, Anna Patnaik.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavna Jaina,
Present,
Namrata,
Present, ma'am.
Nirali,
Present, ma'am.
Purvasha,
Present, ma'am.
Ritika, Shamida,
Present, ma'am.
Shamiksha, Shamiksha, Shruti Rekha,
Present, ma'am.
Shipra, Smriti Panna,
Present, ma'am.
Ritika,
Present, ma'am.
Shuchi Lagna, Sharupa,
Present, ma'am.
Akanksha, Akanksh, Akanksh, are you there? No. Others, Ansuman,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Narayan,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Amrit Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Puan, Abhijit Mante, Abhiram Sahu,
Present,
Ayushman
ma'am.
Das.
Present,
Who? Abhiram Sahu.
ma'am.
Abhiram, are you there? Where is Abhiram?
Present, ma'am.
Can I see you?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Who? Abhijit Manti present. Abhijit Manti, are you there? Abhijit Manti. No. Ayushman Das.
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Sahu. Ausman Sahu, I can see you.
Present, ma'am.
Diptan Suparida.
Present, ma'am.
Dibyanshu Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Dilip,
Present.
Manas, Nikhil, Nishit,
Present, ma'am.
Om Prakash, Parthasarathy,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Nishit is present.
Oh, Nikhil,
Ma'am, Nishit.
Nishit, Nishit I
Yes,
marked.
ma'am.
He gave me attendance. Nishit already I marked present.
Yes, ma'am.
Piyush,
Present, ma'am.
Prabhudatta,
Present, ma'am.
Pratik Ranvira, Pratik, are you there? Pratyush Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
yes, I could see you. Priya, Kulin,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Kamal, Shamir,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Shravan,
Present, ma'am.
Shubham, Siddharth Das, Siddharth Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Who?
Hello, ma'am.
Siddharth Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth Das, are you present?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Shubham
Present,
Das.
ma'am.
Shubham Das, are you
Ma'am.
present?
Ma'am.
Shubham Das. Shubham Das, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Shohan Mante. Aditi Naik.
Present, ma'am.
Now,
Present.
Aditi joined late. Who is this? Whom I can see? Shohan Mante. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Toptek.
Present, ma'am.
Shoptek.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Somerashan.
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Kuntia.
Present, ma'am.
Surya Prakash.
Present, ma'am.
Tapan.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Dhanraj.
Present, ma'am.
Section B now. Vijay Darshini. Vijay Darshini. Can you join now? Bhavna, did you join? No.
I'm present.
Bhavna joined. Okay. Adya Samanti, did you join? Adya Samanti? No.
Ma'am.
Who? Adya Samanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming.
Ma'am, you haven't called my name.
Ritika Nayak, are you there? Samiksha Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Rekha Mahapatra. Shruti Rekha Mahapatra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Shipra Swagatika there? Shipra,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti Lagna,
Yes, ma'am.
Akanksha Dev,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Puhan,
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit Mante, okay. Manas gave me attendance. They typed the message. Late, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Lilith, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, Nikhil, are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Om Prakash Patra,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Om Prakash, can I see you?
Okay, ma'am.
Ranveera, regularly absent. Okay, okay. Let's move forward. Vijay Darshini, be a little fast, children, to answer me. Vijay Darshini, Gargi,
Present, ma'am.
Ikshita, Ishika,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Malishka,
Present, ma'am.
Mugdhasri,
Present, ma'am.
Pragya Paramita, Priti Priyambada, Priyanka Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Naik B, Priyansi Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Priyansi Pradhan, Shankar Bhamanti,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Smita Kishan,
Present, ma'am.
Shraddha Bishi,
Present, ma'am.
Shriya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Shriya,
Present, ma'am.
Amar Chauhan,
Present, ma'am.
Aniket Sahu, left you said. Okay. Vyamkesh,
Present, ma'am.
Vyamkesh, I feel you are there.
Ma'am.
Chinmay Mahapatra,
Present, ma'am.
Dhanraj Nayak. Dhanraj, are you there?
Ma'am, Dhananjay.
Okay, yes. Dhananjay, are you there? No. Jyotiraditya,
Present, ma'am.
Lipun,
Present, ma'am.
Mohak,
Present, ma'am.
Lavan,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Ryan,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Vignesh.
Present, ma'am.
Can I see you, Sai Vignesh? Where are you? Okay. Okay, I can see you. Satvik Sri. Satvik.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, Satvik is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Satyajit Manta.
Present, ma'am.
Satyajit Palta Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Giving me message. Satyajit.
Present, ma'am.
Satyarth.
Present, ma'am.
Somnath. Somnath. Pandan.
Present, ma'am.
Subhranshu Pallai.
Present, ma'am.
Subhranshu Murmu.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Panda.
Present, ma'am.
Swastik Mohanty.
Present, ma'am.
Swayambhuva Padi.
Present, ma'am.
Swayambhuva, are you present?
Yes,
87
ma'am.
participants I could see. Tushar Lakra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday I had given you 12 questions. Could you do it?
Ma'am.
Yesterday those questions I had given, I have uploaded in the site. I have messaged
Hello,
you.
ma'am.
Why didn't you do it? If you keep on pending your work, you cannot move forward this way.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is talking?
Ma'am, I am Arpit. You didn't took my attendance. I mean, you didn't call my name.
I didn't call your name. How
No,
is it
ma'am.
possible? Which section, Veda?
Ma'am, A.
A. How did I miss it? Anyhow. What's your name, you said?
Ma'am, J. Arpit Das.
Okay, J. Arpit. Okay. I marked you. Oh, you messaged me. I saw it and I marked it. I marked present. Don't worry. Don't worry. Already I marked
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Now, what I meant to say, I have already messaged you in WhatsApp. I have uploaded those questions and the doubt questions which you asked. Some of you said, ma'am, we want in writing also. So I have uploaded all typed ones. Did you go through?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have gone through? Please tell me. Be free to speak. How many of you have noted down those questions? And how many solved it? No one? Anyhow, today I'll give you some more questions. Those who have not gone through, tomorrow you have got Sunday. You will go through those questions. Samiksha only messaged me, ma'am, I could not complete. Didn't you do it or you could not do it? There is a difference. What's your problem?
Question number 11 is doubt.
Okay, okay. Any other number? Number 12 you could do? Did you do number 12, children?
Ma'am, it wasn't visible.
What not visible? Question number 12.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
calling out right now. You write down. Write down right now. Fast. Little fast. If not visible when you found difficulty, why didn't you message me immediately? I could have uploaded once again. If you face this kind of difficulty, immediately message me through WhatsApp.
It was visible only till 11, so we thought that it was only till 11. So I didn't WhatsApp message, texted you.
Again, I couldn't hear you.
It was only visible till 11, so I thought that it was only till 11, so I didn't text you.
Oh, anyhow, write down. Okay, okay, no problem. ABC is a triangle. I hope I'm clear enough to dictate you.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. ABC is a triangle.
Ma'am.
B is a point on AB.
Ma'am.
ABC is a triangle. D is a point on AB such that AD equals to AB by 4.
Ma'am, please repeat.
ABC is a triangle. D is a point on AB such that AD equals to AB by 4. And E is a point on AC.
Ma'am, please repeat.
And E is a point on AC such that AE equals to AC by 4. Did you write up to this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete the question. Prove that
Yes, ma'am.
DE equals to BC by 4. Over.
Ma'am, please repeat the
Draw the,
question.
I'll read out again the question. Any one of you, if can read out,
Yes,
who has not written, where did you miss out?
Yes, ma'am. Read out.
Read out.
I will read or any one of you will read?
Ma'am, you.
I will read, okay. I'm just reading out the full question, okay. ABC is a triangle. D is a point on AB such that ADA equals to AB by 4. And E is a point on AC such that AE equals to AC by 4. Prove that DE equals to BC by 4. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now draw the figure. If you can do, fine. Otherwise 11, 12 both I will explain you. This both the questions I'm giving you hint, they are basing on your midpoint theorem of triangle. And this all triangle chapter has been uploaded in the video form in our site. If you've gone through, then you must have understood it. And apart from that, you can access extra marks also. In extra mark also, it is explained nicely. That is why I'm revising it with the application of different questions. Once you complete a chapter, you should be master on that. Will I explain now 11, 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
12 you cannot do? Okay, anyhow. Just like your proving of theorems, this deductions will be also. Just say, is the board clear to you, Chalan? Is it visible now, Chalan?
Yes, ma'am.
P is the midpoint of, I'm reading out the question side by side, I'm going to draw it also. Anywhere, if you feel that while doing the construction work according to the questions given, you just tell me, ma'am, I couldn't follow you, okay? P is the
Okay, ma'am.
midpoint of the side CD of the parallelogram ABCD. Let me draw the parallelogram first and name it. A, B, C, D. I have to extend now. I will do it and then you will understand. Let me not tell you now. P is the midpoint of the side CD. Let me take P here. A line through C parallel to PA. PA means I have to join it. I got PA. Through C, I will draw a line with parallel to PA. And then after that, I have to extend this line which intersects DA produced at R. I will extend this line, I will extend this line. Now, this is your Q, this is your R. Did you understand the question? Would you follow the question, Charan? Match with your question the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram and P is the midpoint of CD. That means this is equal to this and this is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this line. Understood? What we have to do? Prove that BA equals to AR, BA equals to AR, and CQ equal to QR, and CQ equals to QR. This is the question. Yes?
It's not
Yes,
clearly
ma'am.
visible.
Now try to understand this question.
Ma'am, the board is not visible clearly.
Clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is clear.
Ma'am, it is
Clear
visible.
now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you now, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. It's given to you, P is the midpoint of CD. That means this and this are equal. And we have to draw a parallel line through C. To which line? To line PA. So I have drawn PA and I have drawn a parallel line. Then I have to extend it, which will intercept produced DA in this direction. Okay. Then what we are going to look? DA. DA means this one is equal to this one to be proved. And CQ equals to QR. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have to prove this one equal to this one and this one equal to this one. Understood? Now I won't write. I will explain it. After that, if you feel you cannot write the steps, I will write it. Okay? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what will you do? You forget about the parallelogram. We will only consider while proving the properties of parallelogram only. We have to consider now the triangle RDC or RCD, the same triangle. Anyway, you can name it. Understood? And then in this triangle, we will apply the midpoint theorem. Do you remember midpoint theorem? What is it? Tell me, any one of you. Answer me midpoint theorem, what it speaks about. Midpoint theorem, who will tell me first? No one knows it? If you don't know midpoint theorem, it's useless talking to you about this answer. Yes,
Ma'am, the line joining two midpoints is parallel to the base.
Yes.
Ma'am, the line joining
Ma'am,
two midpoints of a triangle is parallel to the base.
Only that
Or
much,
it's
but one part you are missing out. Half of the line.
And in similar,
That
yes,
means
ma'am, half
if
of
I
the.
have
Is
to
half of the third
any
side.
triangle, scalene always will take if the midpoint of any side is taken and the other side also midpoint taken. If I join, this line will be parallel to this and half of this. This side will be equal to this side and this is also equal to this. By congruency, we will prove this. These two triangles are equal, so this equal to this equal to this. That is your midpoint theorem. Okay. Now you will understand in triangle RDC. This is midpoint. You just think this is the base. This is one side midpoint, and to this is parallel. If parallel, where will it meet of this side at the midpoint? Yes or no?
Again, repeat it.
If I will take, just think about this is the base. RC is the base and P is the midpoint of side CD. If I draw a parallel line to CR where this line will be intersecting of this third side. At the midpoint,
A will be the
Yes,
midpoint of
ma'am.
side.
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
midpoint or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If at the midpoint, what did we get? Did we get this or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
CR or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now after you got this, now what are you going to do? Take this one is the base, CD to be the base. If this is the midpoint, because ABCD is a parallelogram, this side is parallel to this side, and this is midpoint of this. If I'm taking a parallel line to this base CD, if I take, where will it meet? Will it meet at the midpoint of this side or not? So this equal to this, over. Understood?
Yes.
CQ equal to QR or not? This is
ma'am.
first you have to take this one. This is the midpoint drawing parallel to this. Next, this is the base. This is midpoint parallel to this. Because it is a parallelogram given to you, hence it will intersect at the midpoint. So this is equal to this. Understood? And the last
Yes,
question I have given you
Yes, ma'am.
is basing on the same thing. You have to use here again midpoint here. What it is, ABC is a triangle. I hope you can write now the steps if you have understood.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And in order
Yes,
to
ma'am.
only explain the last question, I want to give you some more questions. And I will upload at least 5 questions because Sunday you have, yesterday's work is not complete for you. Putting together by Monday, you should tell me that yes, you have completed. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 12. ABC is a triangle. Whenever a general question given to you, always draw a scalene triangle only. Okay? Draw a scalene triangle ABC.
Okay, ma'am.
I have drawn ABC, a scalene triangle. Now, D is a point on AB so that AD equals to I will take on AB a point in such a way that that will be 1/4 of AB. That means I have to find 1/4. I'm just making it 4 parts. I've given 3 parts means it became 4 parts, right? Now AB. At the first part I'm naming D. And E is a point on AC such that AE equal to, look now, again this side I have to make 4 parts. This is your E. Now your figure to be completed. Join this DE. You have to prove DE equals to BC by 4. This is what you have to prove. Now, what you do, just give your the name at the midpoint PQ and join with a dotted line because this is our reference line. Is that visible to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in triangle ABC, if I join the midpoints of 2 sides, will it be parallel to the third side and half of it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what can I write? If this is parallel to this, after
Ma'am,
joining
please
the
repeat.
midpoints, can I write PQ is equal to BC by 2? Can I write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this much clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now forget about this big triangle. Take APQ, this triangle now. If this is half of BC, you got it, leave it here. Go to triangle. First you took triangle ABC. And second part you will take triangle APQ. What will you get? AD. D is the midpoint of AP. E is the midpoint of AQ. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you get? AD
D is equals to PQ by 2.
AD is equal to AP by 2. AD
B equals
equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
AP by 2 or not? This one, if full, AP is half of AB or not? And AD will be half of AB.
yes, ma'am.
Now, my part is to prove DE. If PQ is half of BC and DE is joined to the midpoint of the two sides, will it be half of? This is not required also, I am telling you. Not required, going to get some extra steps. Now, in triangle APQ, PDE, DE equal to PQ by 2.
PQ by 2.
Agree? Now PQ already
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
got in the previous step. Replace now. What is PQ? BC by 2.
D is equals to
1 by 2.
BC by 2
So this became BC
Yes.
by 4.
by 4.
Proved it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down some more questions. Of course, I'm going to give you all this. I will upload in the site. Write down whatever you can. Time going to get complete. Now be a little fast to write. Of course, I'm going to give you. Okay, you tell me apart from this, any other question you have done and you found difficulty to clear it? Any question like that? Now look at this number as reduced from 86 to 80 now. Who are the 6 children left in between? If this will continue, I will take it granted you have no interest, you don't like this subject, and nobody will help you in this way. Who are the 6 left? No answers from you? Again and again, every day the same thing. I don't like. Be very disciplined websites. Yes, Satyajit, what do you want to say? Satyajit, what do you want to say? Satyajit, what is saying? Because 2 Satyajits are there. Now I'm going to wind up. If you have nothing to say, I'll be giving you at least 5 questions today again. Yesterday's 12. Total 17 answers should be ready by Monday. Of course, the doubts you can ask me in WhatsApp. I will upload the answers in our site.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So we will wind up today. Enjoy your Sunday, children. But with that, don't forget to complete your studies. I expect that much discipline from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
You could accept something from today's class or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6 students suddenly left. I'm 7.
That is what I have told you. 86
Ma'am.
it became 80. So now,
Ma'am,
as such we are
ma'am,
going
now
to wind up. That's a different thing. But this is regularly happening. 6 to 10 children are
They are putting their attendance and then they
in
are leaving
between.
the class.